Nessa Sunshine here, and today we are getting into this eye look right here using the ABH Soft Glam palette. You guys like ABH palettes? I do too, so let's keep doing tutorials with them. First, subscribe to my channel and we'll get into the tutorial. Getting into orange soda first, and this is a Morphe M573 brush. Taking this in the center of the lid, blend it in swiper motions into the lid, out to the lid, but in the above the crease area. Now I'm going to take that orange soda shade, blend it in circular motions up toward the brow bone on the outer half of the eye. Keep adding orange soda as needed. Move around town. Take mulberry. This is the Morphe Eye Credible brush. Press it in the center above the crease in very light pressing, and in a little circular motion blend. Press and blend. And we're going to continue to move down until we've reached the outer corner area. Blending that in a tiny swiper motion. Blend that top area, blend around, and you guys just keep blending. Very light and delicate blending motion. Feathery motions almost, pretending this brush is a feather. I want to make sure not to wing it too much. I want it to be more rounded. Now I'm going to move in large circular motions up around the brow bone. Blend, blend, blend. Move it forward on a little bit more. We want to keep it though mostly on the outside. So this is the Anastasia A14 brush, just a pointed brush. Take that color Noir, adding and blending above the crease as well. In this outer corner, bringing it down as well. Adding it down here. Move in tiny circular motions, blend up. Now I'm going to take my Morphe brush that I used to put mulberry. Very like light and feathery motions. I'm just gonna blend it away. Blow it out, blow out the shadow. Blend, blend, blend. I really want to make sure that I am blending out because I'm eventually going to have a huge blend here as well. So I'm gonna start to use that brush to blend and diffuse, blow out, however you want to say it. More toward the brow bone area, blend away. And I'm gonna be using a white concealer. This is the ABH Pro Studio concealer. Opening up my eye, I'm making the mark above my crease. From that line, I start to bring the white concealer down. As my eyes are open, you can still see where the concealer is. And you don't have to use a white concealer. You can use just your regular concealer. I got this idea from Sandy Harales, and she does amazing cut crease work. She's just a talented being. Thanks to Sandy. Start to add the concealer on the lid using my finger to press it out. I'm gonna bring the crease down onto the lid as well. We're gonna go into bronze. Take my finger first, pat it on the lid. Now I'm taking my Ico brush into bronze onto the lid as well, in the places that my finger would mess everything up. Now, if you decide that you don't want to cut the crease, you can still add the bronze shade with a blending brush by first patting on the blending brush and then swiping it toward the inner of the lid, bringing it just slightly above the crease area. Then it will still leave a beautiful look without the extra work. But if you want to cut the crease, we can cut the crease. With the Anastasia A14 brush and Fairy and some spray in the very inner corner, move like in a cross up and then cross through. Take Schwing liquid liner from The Balm and bring it up over here and get smaller as I go in toward the lid. First, I'm going to take mulberry, and this is just that Eye Credible brush. Take it in here toward our area that we've created, the lid space area. Press it and take Noir. Press it on the outside of that liner, creating this smoky eye. Blend a little bit together with the top part. You could even use Noir and like a flat brush to create the liner if you don't have liner. You do want the outside of the liner to just blend in with everything. So for the lashes, I'm going to use, these are the Lady Burgundy Jasmine Lash. Looks alike. It looks like that. And bam, there is a look on my face. By the way, I use the Charlotte Tilbury, the Pillow Talk lip liner and Pillow Talk lipstick. Go into that color Mulberry. I'm applying it just to the outer corner of the eye. And this brush, by the way, is the BH Cosmetics Signature Rose Gold brush number 8. I'm going to dip it in Noir, add that as well. Kind of round it down a little bit and make sure it's connected to the top. And orange soda. I'm going to start to blend and just blend away. This brush is just a pencil brush like the Anastasia A14 that I use. I'm going to dip it into glistening. Pop that in the inner corner. I'm going to use the Hourglass Caution Extreme Lash Mascara. Adding that to the lower lash line. I'm going to go ahead and do this under eye, and this here is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this in-depth look. It's very similar to my Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette tutorial. If you liked this video, make sure to like it. I will be doing more Norvina and Soft Glam tutorials because I love both of those palettes. It's gonna be a combination of both palettes the next time I use Soft Glam and Norvina, but it won't be the next tutorial. And if you made it this far into the video, comment down below Glam. Glam has to do with being a sparkling sparkle. And subscribe to my channel, of course, if you haven't already. And follow me on Twitter and Instagram at nessachicas_. I will see you guys next time. Thank you again for watching. Bye. Bye now.